Magandang araw mga ka-financial. Kung feeling mo paikot-ikot ka na sa utang, yung uutang ka para bayaran, yung isa pang utang, then you might be in a utang spiral. Pero here's the truth, may exit plan. Hindi siya overnight, pero possible siyang matapos. Today, I'll share a simple, step-by-step plan para makalabas ka sa utang. Spiral without shame, without panic. Step 1, stop the bleeding. Unang step, itigil muna ang pagdagdag ng utang. Kasi kahit anong bayad mo, kung may new debt lagi, walang progress. So for now, pause muna ang buy now, pay later. Avoid new credit card charges. Huwag muna mangungutang para sa wants. Focus sa needs lang. No new debt? Stop the bleeding. Step 2, list all debts in one place. Next, harapin natin siya. Ilista mo lahat ng utang mo. Include, amount, due date, interest, minimum payment, kanino ka may utang, apps, friends, family. Example, 5,000, 15% interest, due every 15th. 2,000, friend, due end of month. Mahirap sa simula, pero this gives you clarity. Clarity beats anxiety. Step 3, choose your payoff method. May dalawang popular methods. Option A, debt snowball. Unahin mo yung smallest debt para mabilis kang makakuha ng motivation. Option B, debt avalanche. Unahin mo yung highest interest para mas makatipid ka long term. Either way works. Ang important, pili ka ng isa and stick to it. Snowball Mars motivation, avalanche Mars savings. Step 4, create a debt payment budget. Budgeting habang may utang is different. You need 3 categories lang muna. 1, needs, food, rent, commute. 2, minimum payments, para hindi mag-penalty. 3, extra payment. Ito yung pang-atake sa target debt mo. Kahit extra pel 200-500 per week, malaking help yan. Needs plus minimum plus extra attack. Step 5, find extra cash fast. To speed up your exit plan, look for quick wins. Cut small daily expenses, coffee, delivery, impulse buys. Sell unused items, clothes, gadgets. Take small side hustles, online selling, tutoring, editing. Ang goal mo, extra cash, extra payment. Huwag mo na dagdag luho habang inaayos ang utang. Extra income, faster freedom. So ayan, mga ka-financial, if you're in an utang spiral, here's your exit plan. 1, stop new debt. 2, list everything. 3, choose snowball or avalanche. Fear budget for debt attack. 5, find extra cash. Remember, hindi ka failure kasi may utang ka. You're winning the moment you start the plan. Comment debt-free ERA if you're starting today, and follow for more financial tips.